Daily heat styling, chemical treatment, and environmental stress can leave hair dry, weak, and lifeless. Cabello Chave Professional Damage Repair Hair Spa is designed to deeply nourish, strengthen, and revive damaged hair from within, restoring softness, shine, and manageability. Damaged, lifeless hair needs more than just styling. A professional hair spa always begins with a detailed consultation to understand the hair condition and level of damage. Step 1 begins with cleansing. Apply the damage repair shampoo on wet hair. Gently massage the scalp and length to remove buildup and prepare the hair for deep repair. This shampoo gently cleanses while helping repair damage, reduce dryness, and improve manageability from the very first wash. After shampooing, towel dry the hair and divide it into 4 clean sections. Proper sectioning ensures even product application and better absorption during the hair spa treatment. For deep nourishment, take the damage repair mask and mix it with 1 to 2 pump of Neoplex serum, as this mixture makes the quality of mask more superior and easy to penetrate. Emulsify the mixture well before application. Apply the damage repair mask evenly from mid-lengths to the ends. Gently comb through to ensure every strand is fully coated. At first, the comb catches on tangles, but after the mask is applied, it glides through the hair effortlessly, leaving it smooth and soft. Before steaming, wrap the hair in cling wrap or cover it with shower cap. Steam helps open the hair cuticles, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes for optimal repair. Gently massage the scalp and hair for 10 to 15 minutes to enhance absorption and blood circulation. This mask deeply nourishes the hair, restore moisture, strengthen weakened strand, and helps repair visible breakage. After processing time, rinse the hair thoroughly to remove all the product residue. Next, apply the damage repair conditioner to seal in moisture and smooth the hair cuticle. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse well. This conditioner locks in hydration, smooth rough strands, and strengthen the hair to help prevent further damage. To complete the hair spa, apply the Brazilian Keratin Heat Protection Spray on towel dried hair. This protects damaged hair from heat styling, reduce breakage, and keeps the hair smooth and healthy looking. Blast dry or blow dry the hair section by section to achieve the final look. After the damage repair hair spa, the hair looks smoother, healthier, stronger, and visibly revived. Use the complete Cabello Chave Professional Damage Repair routine regularly for healthier, stronger looking hair. Like, share, and subscribe for more professional hair care routine and salon education.